Welcome back, everyone. This is a 5-month review of Cloudsoles. Are they very good? Are they worth your money? So initially, it's like every other ad. You look at something and that's what your ads are tailored to. So these popped up on, I think, Instagram or I can't remember, Facebook maybe, one of the meta sites. And so I ordered some. I ordered them on March 3rd. They shipped from China. And I received them March 17th. So a couple weeks. So we're right at that 5-month review. I got these in my shoes right now. So these are trim to fit, as you can tell. 14 to 16. I got a 14 wide foot. So let's just be honest. They're junk. Nothing but a piece of foam. Save your money. That's what I'm saying. This side over here, just big toe, ball of your foot. They're junk. Let's just state right off the rip. I mean, it was $29.99. Save. I can't remember what kind of sale it was, but it was a sale. But yeah, save your money. Really, they've looked like this for the past 2 months, 3 months, so maybe 2 months, 3 months worth of use. And they're junk. I'm on my feet all day, concrete. But yeah, there's also another brand out here that has basically the same style packaging. And they're the same style. But yeah. My white's not really playing with me. But I'll show what that other brand is. I mean, it's the same style packaging. It's just orange. This orange here, it's called steppers. They're basically the same thing in a different package with a orange face on them. Even the bubbles are the same. Clouds on the bottom are the same. They're junk. Save your money.